Alright guys, Rob Anderson Clean Power Wash. I'm reading a book called 2 Second Lean, and this is obviously not a lean workspace. Um, Whenever we're looking for quick connects and stuff, going through this, it's like, alright, is it in here? No. Okay. Is it in this one? No, that's all the tips. Is it in this one? Oh, wait a second, it's in this one. Oh no, wait a second, let me look through that one over there. So, what I did is I bought 2 of these. We're going to put all of our tips in there, get them organized. That way when we need it, it's not a matter of figuring out which one of these 3 or 4 bins and all of this other clutter that it's in. We can simply just grab the stuff that we need from there. It's also going to be easier to inventory to see what we need more of. I guess it'll speed up the process tremendously. I know we're supposed to show the actual process of trying to find whatever tips and stuff, but we'll get this installed and show it to you later. And again, this is our messy shop. It's rainy and cold today, so we're doing some work in here. Alright, so here you go. This is after cleaning things up. We've got the new parts bin organizer set up. That's all cleaned up and organized. This whole side was a gigantic mess. Tools are up and organized for the most part, or at least not quite as much of a mess as they were. Still a good bit of space up there, and we got space up here as well for stuff. But really excited about this. What we did, we put all of our tips, all of our spray wash nozzles and whatnot for surface cleaners. They're going from, other than this, which is all the preset ones. Could probably just throw that red one out. But 2502s, 2503s, 25035s. Actually, these are probably all the 35s. Let's see. Yes, these are the 35s. So, how small is that? 2502s, 2503s. I don't know what else is going on here. What else we have? Oh, maybe he just had so many 35s in there. Whatever. Bigger. We've got some of the Meg tips. Those we actually need to get more of instead of these other ones, because these other ones are wearing down a bit faster. We got all of our J-rods over there. Then we've got our row of 1/4 inch, and we've also got some miscellaneous stuff. We don't have many 1/4 inch. We only have the female ones, which really, that's all we really need right now. These go for our wands. We do need to get some male quick connect couplers that'll go into right here. We really only need one. The rest of them are all there already. So 1/4 inch, we've got some of the swivels in here. Both a hose, or not a hose, but a wand swivel and the 3/8 inch swivels. Other adapters, we've got our little connectors for the Gilmore guns for our roof system. A couple different adapters, garden hose stuff for the most part's over there. More garden hose, some random 90s, a bunch of other. We've got these so we can mount our outlets, go in a different angle. The rest of those ones are not the greatest for it. 3/8 inch across here. We've got our other miscellaneous stuff, adapters, some filters, downstream injector, pickup filter. We realize that we only have 3 things of Teflon tape, so we'll be ordering some more of that. Some little metering valves for downstreamers and stuff. We've got some 3-way 3-way valves. So if we wanted to run a downstream injector, we can. It's stiff. That's what she said. Good grief! Why does that not want to move? Whatever. But so you can do two different chems. One coming from there, one coming from there, and coming out. Some more hose barbs, big inline Y filters. We got turbo, and then this one, which is a M5DS twist. It's a downstreaming adjustable nozzle. Got some swivels in there, both hose swivels. Ball valve, which we may need to get some more of those. We've actually got some more fittings and stuff upstairs too. Injectors, 4-way water keys, which we always keep one of these on every single truck. Now we've got extras. But so now we can look at this stuff when we put a pump here or want to fix something. We've got the components right available very quickly. We can see them, grab them, do whatever. And we've also been doing a little bit of cleanup on rusty tools. Let's see. Let me just shake a little bit of water on there. We just put some oxalic acid in that earlier today to go ahead and eat through all the rust and corrosion, and then we've set up some stuff in the trucks to be able to hopefully avoid these things getting so rusty. All of it used to be in these bins, which let's see what they've put in here now. Organized a whole bunch of screws and washers and fasteners and stuff. But the idea here again is to make working on this stuff much faster. That was the whole point of the 2-second lean, was to make that better. This cost me $28 and some labor from my guys today, which you might be able to hear it, but it's raining still outside and cold, so we were not going to be doing anything outside today. Didn't do much over here in the shop. We got the mower in here right now. There's our Deck and Shake Bright, which is what we use to get rid of the rust in there. Organize the parts bins. That's for our major plumbing. We got 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1, 1.5, and then 2, and other miscellaneous stuff at the bottom. And then I'll also show you this will actually make a second video, but sorry, didn't mount it yet. Threw a shut-off valve on here, so for our 12 volt, or sorry, for our air diaphragm transfer pump system, we can now just shut off the flow of air, not drop it on the floor, but not have to disconnect it every single time. This can now stay connected all the time unless we need to use that air hose for something else. That will make things a lot simpler. We can just literally just change the ball valve, disconnect, and move on with our day.